Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your head turning 2018 Toyota Highlander Hybrid XLE. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger all-wheel drive SUV in a unique toasted walnut pearl. Under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine and you'll be riding on top of 18-inch wheels. Your hybrid model is all about balance with a awesome fuel efficiency, as well as your hybrid powertrain with 360 hybrid system net horsepower to reignite your passion to drive. Helping you into your Highlander is your handy smart key system. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your power liftgate and your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you also have that stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror, as well as a blind side monitor as part of your star safety system. What we're going to do is we're going to lock up those doors now, and by putting the keys into my pocket, you're simply going to run your hand across the handle and it'll unlock for you so you don't have to fish for your keys anymore. Right away, you're greeted by a very unique two-tone interior. You have some storage on the side there, as well as your power windows and your power locks and your power adjustable side mirrors. Over here you have your heated side mirrors, as well as your power liftgate and your automatic high beams. Below you have a full set of all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean, as well as a power adjustable driver's seat, and your passenger side is also power adjustable. And adding that final touch of elegance, you have your beige leather interiors all throughout that really just add that sense of class. And letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof, which will be nice to have open on those long summer drives. But why don't we hop on in and start it up? Starting up your Highlander, simply put your foot on the brake there and push that push start button with your proximity key. Because it's a hybrid, that battery's going to start up first. Check out that sweet ambient lighting, that cool welcome screen, and then your engine's going to kick in a little bit later. There you go. Now, taking a look at your multi-information display, it's open to your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system, which you can set the sensitivity, turn it on and off from your steering wheel mounted controls. You also do have your intuitive voice command, your volume control, mode changers, hands-free calling, and on the side here you have your dynamic radar cruise control with your cruise control settings below there. You have your cool leather-wrapped steering wheel, as well as your LCD screen over here, which is open to its main menu. One of the cool features of your Highlander is your driver easy speak. So by turning it on, you can hear your voice in the back, almost as if you don't need to strain and yell anymore when you are in your Highlander. So we're going to turn that off now, and we're going to open up your apps. Your navigation system is equipped in your Highlander. It's very easy to use. To come on in, punch in your home address, and see how it works for you. It'll definitely come in handy when you finally take that summer road trip. Now shifting into reverse here, you can see that your backup camera also shows up on your LCD screen, which will help keep everybody nice and safe. With your audio system here, you have your CD player on top, as well as your USB auxiliary input with your AM FM radio, your Sirius XM radio, and of course with your Bluetooth hands-free calling, you do have your Bluetooth audio. Below here you have your tri-zone climate control. So your rear passengers do have a set of controls behind the center console, but you can control it from here and you can turn it on and off as well. You can set a different temperature for your passenger and a different temperature for your driver. You have your heated rear and side mirrors, as well as your automatic climate control and your air conditioning. A beautiful feature to have in your Highlander is this open shelving unit with this piece right here coming out so that you can run your wires through. You won't have anything hanging all over the place. Everything's nice and organized. You also do have your USB auxiliary input below. You have your USB charging, your 12-volt DC charger, as well as your different drive modes. As part of your hybrid, you have your EV mode, you have your eco mode, and your traction control. You have that leather on your shift knob, as well as easily accessible. You have your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger, which will definitely come in handy when it gets cold out there. You have your chrome detailing on your cup holders and a cool center console, which splits right down the middle here. You have some removable pieces and plenty of space to store everything that you need. Closing that up now. Checking out your glove box. You have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Highlander, plus that handy lock to make sure everything is nice and safe. Plenty of convenience options built right into your Highlander, but why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Highlander. To open up that power lift gate, simply activate it on your fob there. It'll warn you that it's coming up. A great convenience feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Right now we have that third row seating installed for you to take a look at, but why don't we fold it down? To fold that third row seating, simply push that headrest down and pull this tab here to drop it down. Check out all that space that's open up to you to store everything that you need in the back of your Highlander. Your Highlander also comes equipped with a handy tonneau cover to make sure that it offers just the right amount of privacy for your cargo in the back. You also have your handy cargo lamp for visibility, as well as underneath here you have your storage for both your jack and your tools. You have some additional storage as well in case anything does happen on the side of the road. Now you also do have your handy 40-60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items in the back of your Highlander. And to reactivate that power lift gate, simply press that button there. It'll warn you that it's coming down. Taking a closer look at the exterior features, you do have that rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy. Below here you have your backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots, and you can simply lock all of your doors before you walk away from your Highlander. On the back you also do have that chrome detailing on your skid plate and your rear lights, plus you have that XLE and hybrid badging as we take one more look at the back of your Highlander. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Highlander Hybrid XLE with the all-wheel drive. Built right into your Highlander is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert, as well as your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to protect everything that's important to you. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive, see how it fits into your lifestyle. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. And until I see you next time, drive safe.